Hi, it's me.
Hello, it's me, and I'm alive. Hello guys. So my white room is practically ready, and this is how it looks without light around 4 o'clock afternoon. And let me turn the lights on. Let's see. Yes. Turn everything on. Look at my beautiful monstera. So this is how it looks with lights on, and I have this really old-fashioned brass lamp, and this is from IKEA. I got the mirror in as a gift for like 15 years ago. Well, so this is how it looks. Simple white, and the floor. Oh, floor is white. We have still a little bit of construction because we are gluing the last thingies. Well, yeah, but this is how it is. Don't you think it's beautiful? 1 day later. Today we gonna plant some fall garlic, and make sure you get certified seed or plant garlic. So what I'm gonna do, this is my first time, probably I will manage to do this correctly, and if not, well, things happens. So I'm gonna use soil from my favorite store because I really like the soil. Just gonna open it. It's really good, high quality soil, may I say. I use it for my mixes. Oh, it's pretty. So I'm gonna share my garlic with my friends, so I'm not gonna use it all for myself. So, and I'm gonna mix some perlite in it. I kinda feel like I should do it before. Oh god. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my gifts. So that's much better. Oh yes. Look. So garlic likes good soil, rich soil, loves sun, which is perfect because I have south-facing balcony now. Doesn't like, it likes moisture but not wet, of my understanding. So this is gonna be kind of perfect, good drainage soil for the garlic. I think this is really perfect. Rooty, as you see, it's perfect for me. So let's kind of break it. Do you think I can do it? Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3. Oh, is it 2 now? 1. This is done. So, and maybe I can have 1 in the middle, and the rest my boss gonna have it. Something like that. And now I can use my tool, rake. Oh, yes, yes. Oh, I forgot. It's there. So, and this is fall garlic. So we will see if in spring we will get something from it. So, Marlene, this one is for you. And now we are gonna plant Rhipsalis. I got the Rhipsalis from my Facebook friend, which become a real friend. So we met today and we exchanged bits and pieces of this beautiful Rhipsalis. So let me grab the soil. This is gonna be perfect for rooting under light. And I have my tools. I'm really loving them. And no, not this one. This one. Just make it perfect. Oh no, I forgot. Oh yeah. Sorry. I wanna use these to make it. Let me see, how do I use this? Yeah, maybe like this. Yes. I forgot I have to use this one for to make it more steady. A little bit of dirt over there, so I can put how did I think of it? Oh yeah, like this, yes. perfect. We have one more here. So how do I... Yeah, this will help the Rhipsalis be upright. Oh yeah, perfect. So, and now I'm not gonna... I don't really know how to do it with Rhipsalis, but I'm not gonna water it directly. I will wait maybe a few days or something. I will definitely spray it. And let's see what is happening. A monitor. How is it going? Yes. So I will just spray it with water. And this is gonna be ready. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you soon. Bye!